Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick a card to start it out and see what we get today. The idea space. Curious now, wise later. Focus on your curiosity today. Deepen your learning around something you find meaningful. I don't study to know more, but to ignore less. One cannot know everything, yet one can always learn more. What are you happy knowing? What do you wish you understood more? And let's pick one more card. Sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. Action. Remember the last time you laughed till you cried? Feel those emotions again and notice how joyful you are right now, just thinking about it. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's go for the itty bitty. Whoever brings you the most peace should get the most time with you. Do you agree? Remember, no one can fill your heart better than you can. Let go of worries or guilt and enjoy yourself. Now is a good time to start projects. What are you going to start doing? Your mental health is more important than your job, your weight, your family's expectations, or anyone's opinion. Yes, yes. When you choose to see through the eyes of love, it changes your view. Absolutely. And the last one. We already have celebrities. Now we need a you. Aw. All right. Thanks for stopping by.